checking your bank account is the adult version of checking your grades. For today's Dollar Tree haul, I'm gonna jump right in with no intro. It's a stormy day, so it's kind of got me in a very chill mood. So you're probably gonna feel that, hopefully, throughout this video. I can tend to be over the top. I found some adorable koozies, and I love the color selection, and I also love that they are absolutely solid. There are no prints. This navy one is beautiful, but they did a true blue as well. So I wanted to put those two together so you could see. There is a plain black one and a red one. I don't know if there were any other colors available, but I scooped everyone that I found. I found more of the photo mats. Not too long ago, I showed you guys a photo mat for a 4x6 frame, and then I found one for a 5x7 in white. The other one was actually a black mat, so I found a white mat, and then I found an 8x10 mat, but this would fit into an 11x7 frame. So what? I cannot believe this is at Dollar Tree. That's just crazy to me. Also, by the way, this is actually a pretty small haul, so we may blow through this one a lot quicker than usual. This is an item that I've been meaning to pick up for quite some time, and I keep forgetting about it, but I got some Calamine Lotion. Just getting mosquito bites, bug bites, and this just really helps the itch. It's for poison ivy, oak, really, is what Calamine Lotion is used for, but we use it for like bug bites and stuff. Probably really not for that, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, but that's what I've always used it for. Okay, I found a new storage container, but they're calling this a marker storage container, so I've never seen that before. Holy moly. It has a little pop thing so it stays nice and secure, and then you can see that it has the grooves to hold markers. I don't think these are gonna hold your standard thick Crayola markers. They're probably gonna be like the thin ones, and even then there's only, you know, so much length. So I don't know. I'm curious if Dollar Tree made this to fit Dollar Tree brand markers. So I'm gonna have to be on the lookout for those and see if I can get them to fit into this container. Then Crafter Square is a really up and coming huge line at Dollar Tree that has just been putting out new stuff. Like every time I blink, there's something new. And this is a retractable holder. I mean, Dollar Tree's never done this period before. Nothing like this, but it's kind of like a pencil pouch. You can put your brushes and pencils in there. And then it's retractable as well. Where is the picture? It's kind of hard to see it right there, but it slides out of like the main base. It's kind of a confusing design initially, like just looking at it on the packaging, but it is a clear container, and I'm actually going to store brushes in this. My niece likes to come over and paint, so that's what I'll do with that. I found, pretty random, but I found another set of cute Farmhouse stickers. I love the faux chalkboard background. You know, just has some potted plants and, you know, says thankful and all of that. My daughter's like looking at me. Wow, she's looking at me. Wow, what an announcement. But the hat is really cute too in there. And that potted plant is really adorable. Looks like hydrangeas, but I don't really know. Okay, then I found these solar stake lights. I feel like these solar ones are new. I've never seen them do this shape before. It looks like the really expensive ones that you would buy at, you know, Home Depot or Lowe's. I mean, look at this stake. And then you could like put this, you know, to facing like the brick of your home or like the bushes or trees. That's what I would put these like in the tree bed, just pointing up at the tree. But what? There's the solar. You got to remove this little tag here, and I got 2 of them. Isn't that really nice? I have no idea how well they work, but it is by the Garden line at Dollar Tree. I mean, Dollar Tree is just my favorite store on the planet. I found some new adorable socks. They give me fall vibes. The little fox is cute. Love how he's like sitting and then moving. I love the olive green tone of the sock and then the rust orange color there. It's really, really cute. You guys know I love Dollar Tree socks. I wear mine all the time. Then, it's been a while, but when was the last time I showed you guys getting anything for Loxie from Dollar Tree? But they put out the cutest bandanas, and it's a size big enough for Loxie, or at least hope, because Loxie is massive around the neck. Girl, she reminds me of a lion. Okay, but here is a cute little pineapple set. The camera's washing it out a little bit. It's a more vibrant baby pink than what you're seeing, but it's really, really adorable. And I can't wait to put that on her. I thought this would be great for summertime for now. Here's another summertimey one. Just Golden Girls vibe all the way. So stinking cute. They also have these in a small for like smaller dogs. It's just really hard to find stuff for big dogs. And then the gingham. This is gonna be so fall. I absolutely love it. I'm definitely gonna put these around her neck when I take her for walks. So super adorable. Here they all are together. There was another print. I didn't like it. I can't remember what it was. I just remember being not my favorite. All right, then Crafter Square put out these little pop-up dots, but they've never done it in a pastel. So I got the mini and then the large. They've never done this. They've always done the vibrant, like primary, secondary colors, but never this gorgeous pastel. What? Absolutely love. Love. I need to put the lasagna in the oven. And Crafter Square put out magnetic buttons. This line right here, if you're into crafting or DIY, just anything that you want to do yourself, this label right here is what you need to search for, and they're just gonna have so much good stuff. And how many do you get in here? 14 magnets, but some of them I think are, yeah, they're double stacked on top of each other. So there's that. And the very last things from Crafter Square again, and they are brush cleaning pots, and they have the color. So like whatever, you know, color you're trying to wash off your brush, you could align with these. So I got every color that I saw. What? Are these not super adorable? Plus, you don't have to use them for that. They look great alone just for some color coordinating organization that maybe you need to do. You can see, looks like that, but you could put beads and gemstones, or like, I don't really know. But comment down below, let me know a different unique way to maybe use these. But they're meant to be brush cleaning pots. You can see the photo right there. I did get them for that purpose because my niece, like I mentioned earlier, she loves painting. So every time she comes over, oh, I have to tell you the cutest thing. So she came over the other day, she asked to paint, and I said, oh, let me get your painting dress, because the last time she had come over, we kind of ruined one of her dresses from the paint, and so now it's her painting dress. And as I was putting it on her, she goes, I'm gonna be so beautiful. And I said, yes, ma'am. I mean, can I borrow some of that confidence? She's too much. Let me tell you, she's too much. And the way that she said it, it was just, oh, I wish you guys could have heard her little voice when she said it. She was in awe. As I was putting the dress on, she was in awe of it. She's like, I'm gonna be so beautiful. Like, yes, I love this 2020 that you're in. Like, can I join? But anyways, so that is it for this video. Very small. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I put out some videos that are a lot longer. I know you guys, some of you prefer the longer videos. I think some of you prefer shorter, not me talking as much for every item. I completely understand that. Trust me, I do. So we're gonna leave today's video shorter than usual, and I'll see you guys next time.